Rotelline means wagon wheels or little cartwheels. You know why? Because they look like that, and Rotelline is actually the Italian word for it. Abhi, let's deal with the asparagus. I normally get rid of the very bottoms of this asparagus, okay? The ones in the middle, we use it for sauteing, stir frying, pureeing. So मैंने क्या सोचा था is that let me chop these up first. $50 to 60 grams of asparagus mid stems. Then I've got another about, I would say about 50 grams of frozen peas here. To this, I'm going to put about half a cup of vegetable stock. Alrighty. And going to give it a nice whip up in my blender. Oh yes, lovely, nice puree. Let it chill here for the side. Then let me start off by the pasta. Here we go. Handful of salt in here. Very, very important. Alrighty. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic as well in this. 50 to 60 grams of broccoli. Half a medium onion chopped up. I can hear a rumble happening on the left side of my kitchen, and I think it is mera pani. It's time to throw in the pasta. Awesome. Now for this recipe, I was just struck me, I have some lovely olio di oliva al limone, which is a very nice lemon flavored oil. Okay, about a tablespoon of lemon olive oil in this. Put the onion in this as well. Super. So nicely saute them in this. Beautiful. I don't want to color them, I'm just sweating them till they go a little translucent. और उसके बाद मैं ये ब्रोकली अंदर डाल रहा हूँ. थोड़ा सा garlic इसमें डाल दिया मैंने. And then what I'm going to do is put this pea and the asparagus puree into this as well. Just a dash of vegetable stock in here, just to start the sauce going. A nice big pinch of salt, a nice big pinch of red chili flakes, 30 grams of cherry tomatoes in here, about 20 to 25 grams of ricotta cheese, and about 10 to 15 grams of sour cream. Give it a nice stir. And I think, boss, मेरी पास्ता पक गई है अभी. ये रोटेली को हम इसमें डाल देंगे. Super duper duper. Awesome. And then just give it a nice mix. It's time to plate up.